Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we are diving into JLPT and 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 11. Hajimemashou. Ichiban, saying numbers. Hitotsu, futatsu, two. These words are used to count things up to 10. 11 and higher are counted by using the numbers themselves. Counter suffixes. When counting some sorts of things or expressing the quantity of things, counter suffixes are attached after the numbers. Nin, number of people except for 1 and 2. Hitori and futari are used for 1 and 2. For people is read yunen. Dai, number of machines or vehicles like cars and bicycles. Mai, number of thin or flat things such as paper, dishes, shirts, CDs, etc. Kai, times. Fun or pun, minutes. Jikang, hours. Nichi, days. The number of days takes the counter suffix nichi. However, from 2 to 10, the same words as used for dates are used. 1 day is ichinichi. 2 days is futsuka. 10 days is tuka. Shukan, weeks. Kagetsu, months. Nen, years. Details on other counter suffixes are listed in the appendices. Usage. Quantifiers. Numbers with counter suffixes are usually put before the verbs they modify. However, this is not always the case with length of time. For example, Ringo yutsu kaimashita. We bought 4 apples. Example 2. Geikukuji no gakusei ga futari imasu. There are 2 foreign students. Example 3. Kuni de nikagetsu nihongo o benkyou shimashita. I studied Japanese for 2 months in my country. Interrogatives. Ikutsu is used to ask how many things which are counted as hitotsu, futatsu, etc. For example, Mika no ikutsu kaimashita ka? How many mandarin oranges did you buy? Yatsu kaimashita. I bought 8. Nan, nani plus counter suffix. It is used to ask how many. For example, この会社に外国人が何人いますか ?5 人います。How many foreigners are there in this company? There are 5. 毎晩何時間日本語を勉強しますか ?2 時間勉強します。How many hours do you study Japanese every night? 2 hours. どのくらい It is used to ask the length of time something takes. Various units of time can be used in the answer. For example, どのくらい日本語を勉強しましたか ?3 年勉強しました。How long did you study Japanese? I studied it for 3 years. 大阪から東京までどのくらいかかりますか新幹線で2時間半かかります。How long does it take from Osaka to Tokyo? It takes 2.5 hours by Shinkansen. Gorai. Added after quantifiers to mean about. Example. 学校に先生が30年ぐらいいます。There are about 30 teachers in our school. 15分ぐらいかかります。It takes about 15 minutes. 2番 quantifier period. With this expression, you can say how often you do something. For example, Ikagetsu ni Nikai iga omimasu. I go to see movies twice a month. Sangbang quantifier. Dake. Dake means only. It is added after quantifiers or nouns to express that there is no more or nothing or no one else. For example, Pawa denke ne gaikukuji no shain ga hitori dake imasu. There is only one foreign employee in Power Electric. Yasumi wa nichiyobi dake desu. I only have Sundays off. And that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Arigato for watching and see you in the next lesson. またね